Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I just wanna make a public announcement again. This is it. Two Jamaicans, two of my friends that make it over to the ice road trucking after buying their own truck, went over Edmonton, Calgary, Alberta, and do their thing on the ice road trucking, right? And I came over here on a load, and when I came on the load, I went to link up the guys, you know what I mean, that was doing the journey. And trust me, they surprised me with some stuff that I have to show you guys. I can't hold back. I have to show you guys what's going on. So in this video, Troystarz is going to release some brand new machine that was purchased by the Jamaicans after they finished doing their ice road trucking, and out here now, you know, they're just on a roll, you know what I mean? And I'm feeling so good right now. So I'm gonna share this video with you guys, and we're gonna go over, look what's going on. You know how we do it. Troystarz.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, we're going to talk about these two brand new 2019 Kenworth that you're seeing in the background. You know what I mean? We're not overdoing it. We're not hyping up. But one thing I'm going to tell you guys, these trucks are owned by two Jamaicans. You know what I mean? Owned straightforward, no payments. Oh, this is how the man do the thing. So here what's going on now. These guys came over here in Alberta and they did the ice road trucking. It's not an easy job to get, and it's not an easy task to do. So we're not gonna jump the gun and be like, everyone wants to come up to own a 2019 truck. These guys know what they're doing. You know what I mean? I'm just a young buck in the pack, you know, I'm learning. But I just want to give big respect to Melvin. I want to give big respect to Mr. Mullins, otherwise known as Leroy. You know what I mean? So we're gonna just, you know, let you guys know who Leroy is. I know you never seen him before, but you see Melvin already. And again, Leroy is going to take me out in his 2019 truck, 18 speed. Yeah, as you can see the engine behind us. It's the iX, the brand new iX 2019, you know what I mean? So this is it. We're going to just show you guys a footage of the truck and everything. Two truck park, side and side, you know what I mean? And in the next video, I'm gonna show you Melvin truck, and then you guys will see everything what's going on. So this is it. We're gonna show you guys what's going on. Thanks for tuning in. Troystarz, truck it. Yes, YouTube, see generally, you know, Leroy himself, you know.
Yes, man.
Alright,
Yes.
see that now? See that now? Alright, our boss. Leroy, basically come up here, was one of the first Jamaicans that come up here on the program that set it for all of us, you know what I mean? When he came up here, the company see that Jamaicans can actually do the job that they think we couldn't do because they didn't know anything about snow and all that. And Leroy came here and set it right. So we have to give Leroy big respect to let the company look into him to say, you know what, let me send for more guys because this guy is the guy that set it for us. And look at it, I mean, in the background looking good. So I mean, as you can see, Leroy is doing something good. So I'm here to take notes. So this is the program and this is it. You know what I mean? We're not here to bad mind or carry down our grudge. We are here to support and ask questions to know how to get here. That is how we're gonna do it. You know what I mean? So these guys here to set it. And Melvin, as you guys know, Melvin already drive the 18 speed, one of the highest views video on my channel. And Melvin is gonna take me out in his 2019 Kenworth, show me some new style of changing gear, because a new style of truck, so you know, a different thing. So we're gonna do this thing like we're supposed to. So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in. You know, it's Troystarz trucking. Big respect to the two man, Melvin and Leroy. Troystarz trucking. In this video, like I said, I'm gonna go for a spin with Leroy 2019 Kenworth 18 speed. You know what I mean? So Leroy's gonna take me for a spin. You guys gonna see Leroy shift the 18, show you what going on the box. You know what I mean? It's a very nice truck. Honestly, I'm lost words right now. But Leroy, big up yourself. You know what I mean? And respect for having me in the truck. You know, I do that video here. So I mean, do your thing. Troystarz truck.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.